Maximum value of the package, weight of the package which can be set. Weight on that machine is 6 kilo. When we go to edit data, we can set it maximum 6 kilo. If we would like to put it higher than that limit and press enter, then automatically goes to the maximum weight of the package, which can single package which can be weighed on that machine. Minimum is, we can set it even lower, but with the resolution of 5 gram, so I believe 20 gram is the lower what can be weighed on such a machine.